Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore another attar from a very famous house that is called Abdul Karim Al Faransi. So this is Abeer. I think I got it as a gift. It is, I think, one of his cheap oils. Also, he goes by the name of Maison de Perfume, Abdul Karim Al Faransi. So this brother Abdul Karim, this is the logo at the top. If you can see, this is the logo, and this is the bottle with some tag like this one. Abeer is written over there. Nice presentation. Now I really enjoyed another attar from this company, that is I think it was Oud Sumatra kind of attar. It was very nicely blended, really lovely oud. I think oud was there, but it was a very nice and lovely blend. I don't like this one Abeer because it is very synthetic, and it kind of reminds me of kind of, like, you can say, chemical scent of candies. It is overly sweet. If you like overly sweet kind of candy or toffee kind of sweet vibes to an attar, this is going to be for you. But for me, I really don't like it. It is a very high pitched sweet punch onto my head. So so I would avoid this. This is Abeer from the house of Abdul Karim Al Faransi. I ordered almost 15 samples from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, and I think, if I remember some of them, I don't hate this house, but most of the others, they are very overpowering or very punchy for me. The one I really enjoyed, I got a sample from a friend, that was Oud Sumatra kind of. I'm not sure Oud. It was Oud Sumatra or Oud something, but it was Oud and S at the start, and it was a very nice smell. The other one I enjoyed from them was the attar Islamabad. Islamabad is the city of my country, Pakistan, the capital of my country, and that was a really well blended, floral, very uplifting kind of attar, Islamabad. And so that is my review about this Abeer. Abeer is very sweet kind of attar that has a very synthetic feel to me. So I hope you have enjoyed my review about this Abdul Karim Al Faransi. The two I mentioned, Islamabad and I think Oud Sumatra kind of attar, they were very good. So make sure you try the samples from Abdul Karim Al Faransi, because he is very good at sending samples. So do try to buy and purchase samples from his website, and if you like some of them, do try those attars. So that is my review about this Abeer from Abdul Karim Al Faransi. I will meet you in another video with another scent. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.